Hi guys, my name is Roop Sandhu and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review of Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipsticks. These are newly launched and I have got these lipsticks in this very beautiful gift box, but otherwise these lipsticks come in their own individual packaging. So there are two things which you might notice about the packaging which might disappoint you and even you can ignore. First of all, that this lipstick looks like a copy of Huda Beauty lipstick, and secondly that this lipstick has a magnetic closure, which is a great thing. But the magnet is present only on the 2 points and not on the other two angles. So if you put magnet on magnet, it will pull the cap, but if you put the magnet part on the non-magnet part, then it will not be closed, it will not pull the cap, and if it remains open in your purse like that, then you know what happens. So these were the two and only disappointments about this lipstick. Now let's come on to the good points of the lipstick, because I really think that this is an amazing lipstick and I really like it. These lipsticks are matte lipsticks and they give a smooth matte finish on the lips. If you apply less coat of this lipstick, then it will give you a dry matte finish, but if you rub it too much on the lips, then it might look a bit creamy initially, but afterwards it will surely give a dry matte finish. These lipsticks are very comfortable and they don't dry your lips. These lipsticks lock the moisture on the lips, at the same time they give a beautiful matte finish on the lips. These lipsticks glide on perfectly on the lips and these are very smooth to apply. These lipsticks are very pigmented and in one swipe they can give a very good rich color. These lipsticks are very long lasting lipstick and they transfer very little. When these lipsticks are freshly applied, then they might come off, but once these lipsticks settle down, they hardly come off. I mean, they do come off, but very little amount will come off and most of it would remain on the lips. These lipsticks have no fragrance, they don't even smell bad. The smell is just plain, there is no fragrance. Shade names and numbers are mentioned below the lipstick on a color coded sticker. The packaging also is color coded, but I would say that the packaging has a little bit different color than the actual lipstick, but still you can say that this has a pink lipstick and this has a brown lipstick. Manufacturing date and expiry date is also mentioned below the lipstick, and according to that the lipstick will expire in 4 years. This lipstick is for $2.99 and the amount that we get in it is 3.5 grams. The shades that were sent to me from this range are the ones which are commonly loved by ladies. There is red color, there is pink color, brown and a beautiful nude shade. These shade would go perfect for most of the Indian skin tone, so you can go for these as well, and also you can check more shades from the same range. I will leave the link in the description, so do check it out. So now I'm going to show you guys the swatches of these 4 shades. So first shade which I have is Peach Day. It is a beautiful nude shade with a little bit hint of peach in it. The number is called 08, so this is one of my favorite shade. I really love it. You should definitely try this shade. Next we have a very bright pink shade and its number is 05 and the name of the lipstick is Fire Pink. It's a beautiful bright pink shade, beautiful magenta shade. So then we have a beautiful red lipstick and its number is 17 and the shade is called Fresh Red. It is also a very beautiful red color which will go perfect with most of the Indian skin tone. And lastly I have a brown shade. This is such a beautiful brown shade. It's called Choco Lava and the number is 11. So these are the 4 beautiful shades. So that was the review of Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipsticks. I hope that you find it useful. I had only 4 shades, but if you wish to see more shades, you can click the link in the description and check more shades from this range. But of course, you can go for these shades as well. I really love the Peach Day which I'm wearing right now. It is really beautiful.